Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy gold on Trading 212. In this short walkthrough, we'll move from opening the platform to placing a simple buy order for gold, keeping things clear and uncomplicated so you feel confident at every click. First, open Trading 212 in your browser or the mobile app. Once the platform loads, give it a moment to pull in live market data. Interfaces can vary slightly between desktop and mobile, but the process is the same. Make sure your connection is stable so prices and confirmations update correctly. Next, look toward the top right of the screen for the search bar. On mobile, you may see a small magnifying glass icon that opens the same search field. This is your quickest route to finding tradable instruments without navigating menus. Click into the search bar and type the word gold. You'll see a list of results related to gold. Different instruments may appear, including commodities or gold-focused funds, depending on what's available in your region and account type. Take a second to read the instrument name carefully so you're selecting the version of gold you intend to trade. Glancing at the description and provider can help you confirm you've got the right one. Now click on the gold result. You'll land on the instrument page, which typically shows a price chart, the current buy and sell prices, and some basic details. You can use the chart timeframe controls to understand recent movement, but you don't need to change anything to proceed. If the market is closed, you can still set up an order, and it will execute when the market opens. When you're ready, select Buy. This opens the order ticket. Here you'll see fields to enter how much you want to invest. Some instruments let you choose by monetary value or by quantity. Select the option that makes sense for you and note any minimum order size that may apply. Enter your desired value. As you type, the ticket will usually estimate how much exposure or how many units you're about to purchase, along with any applicable fees or the current spread. Double-check that the amount fits your plan and that you're comfortable with the live price shown. If you see a currency you didn't expect, be aware of potential conversion effects. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm Buy. The platform will process your order and show a confirmation. If it's a market order during trading hours, it should fill almost immediately. Otherwise, it may be queued until the market opens. You can then view the position in your portfolio to monitor performance. That's the full process for buying gold on Trading 212. Thanks for following along, and happy investing.